I chose colorectal surgery because of the impact it allows me to have in patients' lives. Colon cancer is very common. It's the third most common cancer. And the ability to remove the cancer and return the patient to life with good function, back to their family and their friends, is very rewarding. The procedures I perform the most are laparoscopic or robotic colon resections. In those procedures, we use a minimally invasive technique, which means very small incisions, to remove part of the colon and then reattach the colon. The idea being that the patient will have a similar function after surgery as what they had before surgery. We avoid colostomy bags. The patients generally stay in the hospital for 2 or 3 days. They can get back to work generally in about 2 weeks. They have much less pain and recover much quicker. One of the things I like about colorectal surgery is the ability to restore function, the ability to fix a condition surgically and have patients go home in better shape than what they were before surgery. One success story that stands out in my mind is a young gentleman that I treated that was rectal cancer that was diagnosed elsewhere, and he was offered surgery elsewhere. They were going to do a procedure where they gave him a permanent colostomy. He's a young married guy with 3 little kids, and he came to me for a second opinion. We were able to remove his cancer, restore the intestine so he went to the bathroom normally without a colostomy bag, and he is now 4 years out from surgery. I see him every year and he's having an excellent quality of life. My approach to treating patients is to treat the whole patient. We don't just treat a cancer, we treat a patient that has cancer, and so it's important that we don't lose focus on that. The Riverside Care Difference means to me is, what would I do to my own family? How would I treat them to preserve their dignity, to provide appropriate and effective care? When I'm not at work, my wife and our 3 kids enjoy spending time outside. We love being in Virginia. We moved here from the Midwest, and the change is great. I do not miss the Midwest winters at all. I love the people in the area, the slower pace of the area. All in all, it's just, I think, a great place to live and raise your kids. My name is Brian Billings. I'm a colorectal surgeon with Riverside Surgical Specialists.